Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on how to draw a cartoon. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this fun little cartoon mailbox. As a kid, I always enjoyed opening up the mailbox and getting a letter with my name on it, and whatever was inside, if it was from my grandparents or from a friend, it was always exciting. So, without further ado, if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. That was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. What can you take home with this one? Well, I shared with you a lot of stuff from inside the house. So how about going outside the house and seeing stuff that you could turn into a cartoon? Is it a tree? Is it a rock? Is it a flower? Is it a cloud? Use your imagination. Just open up your eyes to the whole horizon, what's in front of you. So, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I want to say thanks, buds. And if you haven't, you didn't yet, just click that little button down there. Easy sneezy, of course. I appreciate it. And as always, I say, thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.